we're happy to see you guys again. And today we're gonna unbox Bakugan. Mine's golden. Is the Baku gear. And yeah. So Bakugan, I've watched it a lot. Even Gian, right? Sometimes. And we'll unbox it right now. Okay, now we're gonna unbox it. So my Bakugan unboxing first. And the thing that I like Bakugan because I like I like trainers just like Pokemon, and I like them so much because I like the movie because I liked how Dan Kuzo defeats Demelius, and I like the villains because the villains are so weird, but I don't know why. I forgot who the guy who was with Demelius. I don't know why he changed his mind to not be a bad guy. Yeah.
Okay, that's simple.
Yeah, simple.
That's easy.
Okay. Here we go. There's all the Bakugan. Stop doing that.
That Pokemon's a good.
Yep, that's Pegatrix. And that's right there's Dragonoid, Golden Dragonoid, and with a Baku gear. And that's Howler, Ultra Howler. And this one's Hydrus. And then, open this up. Yeah. Oh, don't forget the cards. Get the cards out first. Right there. Cards right here. Put that there.
How are we gonna get the Bakugan now?
Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay. Now that Papa cut the wires, now it's time to pop up the Bakugan. Pop it. Okay, let me pop Pegatrix first. No.
I think I can help.
That's good. I got it. Yeah. Look at that.
That's the
Golden Bakugan. Dragonoid.
I'll just get that so we can build.
I'm gonna pop out
Baku gear?
the Baku gear. Pop it out. Oh, there. My gun, whatever. There. Got that other one. Now I'm gonna I'm gonna pop out this big piece. Oops.
A Baku.
Baku. Like that. Baku gear.
Can get down.
Then get Howler.
That's it. Look at that.
Ultra
Could be
Howler.
my Bakugan.
Yeah.
Because I love Howler.
Yeah, you do. Okay. And here's Howler.
And whoever is this
It's-
time,
That's Hydrus.
he's turning around.
And don't forget to get
Pegatrix and
Hydrus.
okay.
There you go. Hydrus. And
Just need to get one Bakugan from the ground.
hey, there's Pegatrix. Okay, that's all the Bakugan I have.
This one I like that guy, but I'm gonna give it to my brother. Let's just open. Yeah. Okay, so that's simple. So now Papa cut out the wire. Now I'm gonna pop up the Bakugan. So I have to open this pack first. Oh, I guess if I got that fire. Instructions. Take one. Oh yeah, the logo. So go! Oh yeah, powerful. Time to pop up Bakugan. So I'm gonna open this now. Oh. Yeah.
Nilius, my favorite Bakugan. Ninja trade.
Yeah.
Okay, Bakugan.
Like him. Like whatever this guy's name is, I forgot.
Pharaoh.
Pharaoh.
No, wait, who's that? Not Hydra.
Hydra. And this guy, his name is Howler.
Yeah, tell her.
Howler.
I'll get this other one for you, Gian. There you go. Another piece. Same thing. Okay, this is all that we got. And let's just see them. So this is instructions.
Another one.
And another one. And all of these here are Baku cards.
And whatever these.
They're called Baku cores.
Yeah, book cards.
And here are the Baku gears. This is for High Nilius, and this is for Dragon Lord. More Baku gear. There. And
And that's it.
yeah. And all of these Bakugan!
Yeah.
Roll!
Go to yeah.
Now it's time to play. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button.